We have a 2014 Toyota Sienna. It was smelling like gas, and we had a couple engine lights. The engine lights indicated maybe it was low oil, maybe it was some sensor related to the oil or gas cap. Well, we changed the oil. It was a little low. And then this thing, this is an OEM factory, when it shuts now, it doesn't click. So we got a replacement gas cap. Try to fix it. So if you look at the new fuel cap, you'll see that the end of it just got a couple grooves on it. Pops in there and pops out. So we're going to put a little screwdriver on there. Try to pop it out flat instead of bending it. They look pretty similar. Both got a big O-ring here and some kind of spring thing inside of here. Looks like it'll fit. We'll connect it, see if it clicks. There it goes, clicks. And we'll put this in. Alright, we'll see if that works.